This is ChatGPT, and over the next 60 minutes, I'm going to give myself a challenge to make $100 with nothing but ChatGPT. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't have to contact anybody. That is the first challenge. I have to use only ChatGPT. That is the second one. And then the third one is I have to do everything by myself with no external help. So stay tuned as I put on this particular challenge to see if I'm going to make it exactly. So let me just contact ChatGPT and then have a discussions, and then we know what it needs to do. Hey, ChatGPT, I'm William. I have a challenge to do or to make $100 within the next 60 minutes. What exactly do you think I should do to make that amount of money?
William, let's be pragmatic here. Making $100 in 60 minutes is a very aggressive target. However, if you have any digital assets ready, like a service you can sell instantly, consulting, quick AI solutions, or a template you've already created, you could try selling that immediately through a platform like Fiverr or promoting it on your social channels. If you already have an audience, a flash offer like a limited time discounted consultation could generate immediate income. But remember, quick money targets like this usually depend on having something ready to deploy fast.
All right. So do you think that based on the informations that you have about me, I know how to do graphic designing, I know how to edit videos, I know how to create thumbnails, I know how to create normal videos. Which of these do you think can make me that target within the next 60 minutes?
Given your skill set, the fastest monetization path in an hour would likely be offering a rapid turnaround service that has immediate demand. Creating custom YouTube thumbnails or quick video edits can be high demand if you tap into existing communities, especially if you promote immediately to your audience or groups. For example, offer a flash deal for a thumbnail bundle to YouTubers you know. Speed, visibility, and a service someone needs today will be key.
All right. Thank you very much. I'm going to put myself to that particular challenge.
I'm rooting for you, William. Even if it's tight, it's a great challenge. And hey, whether or not you hit the exact number, you'll gain insight on what scales fast. Let me know how it goes. And if you need another brainstorm, I'm here.
I will definitely do that. Thank you very much. All right, so I just had a conversation with ChatGPT. The thing is, many beginners don't even know that you can actually have these particular conversations with ChatGPT. And that is exactly what it did. So when you use ChatGPT, let me just show you what I just did. So this is how it works. You open ChatGPT on your computer or anywhere. You want to click on a new chat, and then there is a button here that you just press on it. I'll just put it there. You just press on it, and you can have a normal conversations with ChatGPT. As you heard me, I used similar phrases like based on what you know about me, meaning I have already had a master prompt and I've been conversation with ChatGPT. That is why ChatGPT has some informations about me already. So I have just 60 minutes. Let me just start my challenge and see how it's gonna go. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna create some. I can even ask ChatGPT, so if it can actually create me a prompt that I can, or maybe something like a marketing tool that I can actually send it to potential customers to act upon that particular issue. Hey, I have a challenge of getting $100 within the next 60 minutes. Can you create me a very simple thing that I can send as DM to potential clients to get a particular issue? All right, so what I did is this time around, I used the voice command in ChatGPT and I gave it a very simple prompt to that effect. And let's see if it's actually going to get me that particular page or statement or whatever to write it to potential clients who can actually get this kind of services. And I believe that the easiest way of making this particular challenge come true might be either I create YouTube thumbnail for potential clients, or maybe I try to get somebody who already has a YouTube page and I can trim down their videos or any similar of these kind of things into maybe some shorts, and that can actually get me that amount of money within the next 60 minutes. So let's see how I'm going to go about it. What I'm doing now is I'm just sending a message to ChatGPT to give me a promotional message to be sent to potential customers so that I can send them DMs and other things to get them to purchase my services. And always when you give this kind of prompt to ChatGPT, you are rest assured that it's going to get you something. So it actually gave me, I think, not four, I think 8 different potential messages. The first one is, hi, my name is William. I help businesses and individuals grow online through professional AI-powered services, including website designing, business management, social media events, graphic design, video editing, marketing support. If you want your business to look more professional, attract more customers, and save time using modern digital tools, I will be happy to help you. Let me know what your business currently needs, and I can suggest the best solution. That is one of the best things that I think ChatGPT is currently giving me. So let me just go to let me just scan through and then try to get the best one that I'm gonna work on. Anyway, let me just target some few customers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look through my social media platform. I just don't wanna get it to only my potential customers, but I'm gonna scan through social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all these kind of things, then paste these kind of things randomly to people that maybe they're gonna engage me through my services. And I am thinking that it's my idea though. What I think is maybe trimming a Facebook or a YouTube video into shorts, or maybe designing a YouTube thumbnail for somebody might be the most easiest one. And I think that is, I'm just hoping maybe that one works. Honestly, the challenge is becoming more difficult for me. It's been like 45 minutes now and nobody has ever responded. So I'm just going through my emails, all my social media platforms, thinking that somebody has actually sent me messages. Basically none. So 60 minutes is becoming like impossible for me. But I'm still counting on the hope that within the 60 minutes, I'm going to get somebody. It's really, really tough. I don't know if I'm going to get it, because sometimes all these kind of challenges, it becomes more difficult, more tougher when you have limited time. Although many people think that ChatGPT cannot make you money, but I think it can actually also make you money. That is why I decided to give myself this particular challenge to see how it's going to go. But my brother, my sisters, it's not easy. Let's see. Maybe it's going to work. I don't know. Maybe it's going to work. It's very, very difficult challenge for me now. And I'm going to see. Don't just think that things are more difficult currently. A lot of businesses are, maybe, it depends on where you live also, because currently I live in Europe and it's now 12:28 midnight. So maybe some people are asleep in the United States of America. They might be awake, but I don't know. Maybe it doesn't work like that. So let's see how it's going to go. But I'm still counting on my hope to see this particular challenge become successful. I'm always, within every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes, I go all over my emails and then try to see if I'm going to get somebody like that. It's not easy, but let's see how it's going to go. Well, I just got a message from someone who is ready to offer me 80 USD if I can actually create a magazine cover with a picture of food. It means I think it's a restaurant serving some kind of food, and they actually gave me only 2 pictures to create that kind of cover of a magazine, and I accepted it. I think it's going to be okay. So one, they're going to pay me through PayPal, and I think that is something that I can actually also accept. So let me just take you through what I'm going to do now with this kind of images. I just want to give you the screenshots of whatever, or a screen recording of whatever I'm going to do here. So this is what I'm going to do. I have the pictures here already, and what I'm going to do now is let's see. Maybe I can communicate with ChatGPT straight away. Maybe I can. Based on this particular challenge, this is what I'm going to do. I have the pictures already, so I'm going to give ChatGPT that particular prompt to use its 2.0 image to design that particular thing for me. So let me just click. I'm going to use this voice prompt on ChatGPT. Hi, ChatGPT. I have actually downloaded 2 pictures with you. Can you design a modern looking cover page of a magazine with this food content? I think that it's a restaurant that is demanding it. So can you make it a bit modern? So let's look at what ChatGPT is actually going to do. Maybe it's going to understand what I meant by what I said. Sometimes you can actually give ChatGPT a voice prompt. So always you have to go through, hi, ChatGPT. So this is what the prompt that I just gave it. I have actually downloaded 2 pictures with you. Can you design a modern looking cover page of a magazine with this food content? I think that is a restaurant that is demanding it. I think it understood me. So let's give it that particular prompt to see what it's actually going to bring. Sometimes all these kind of challenges are things that is very, very difficult because I actually targeted $100 within the next 60 minutes, and now I have only like 5 minutes left. So let's see the kind of challenge that is going to be. So once I'm satisfied with it, I download it and I just send it to this potential client and I get the money that I want. So maybe I'm fall short of $20, but I think it's a very good challenge. I have actually not given myself this kind of short challenges ever before. So as you could see, ChatGPT is actually thinking and doing it. So, whoa, that is amazing. That's super fast. Super fast. Amazing. But what do you think about this? I think it did the job. Maybe, but I think I gave it 2 pictures. So I don't know where the other picture is. Maybe after thinking, it thought that there's no need for it to include the kind of person. Well, I think it's okay. This is how it's going to be because I think the food looks very, very nice. And let me open it in preview and then we all see how it's going to look like. Whoa. Let me just zoom in a little bit and then see. Zoom in and then stuff like that. I think it's good. I didn't actually write anything there, but it did something. So let me just ask this particular restaurant the information that is going to put in there. Then at the end of the day, I'm going to come back again. I don't want to guess. So let me just update it and then send this particular person email and ask them the name of the restaurant and what they want it to be on there and then stuff like that, where it's located and stuff like this. So let me just send this particular email and then see how it's going to go. So I've actually sent an email to them and then asking the name of the restaurant and what they want it to do and stuff like that. So maybe let's see how it's going to go. And then I see. Well, I got a response and let me just update it over there in ChatGPT. Kindly update the name of the restaurant to Uvinka, located in Manchester, UK. And it's the owner said I should come up with anything that I think I'm gonna think it's possible. Kindly add any suggestions you think will make it unique. So let's see. I just said it should come up with any suggestion that I think is going to be unique, but the name of that particular restaurant must appear on it, and that is something that I think is going to make it unique, more beautiful, and stuff like that. So if it's accepted, then I give my PayPal account and I get my money. That is the challenge I gave myself. And it looks like it's very beautiful, but yes, that it gives you a bit of stress. It was 60 minutes getting $100. Maybe it's doable if it was during the day, but I'm shooting this particular video in the night. As I said, it's already 12:37 midnight here where I live. So maybe because it's night and it's going to get it very difficult to do, I don't know, within my locality. And actually brought something. Something is in. Let's see. Wow. Beautiful. I love it. Mwah. That's it. $80 is done. And I think this particular challenge is very, very nice. So if you need me to be putting on especially some other challenges during the day, during the time, you can give me the comment section, then I can push it. And then at the end of the day, if ChatGPT can actually make me money. As you could see, all the decisions taken in this particular video were being utilized and implemented with simple prompt from ChatGPT. It actually made me money. Not that fast, but I think it's okay.